Imagine this, you install solar panels thinking your electricity problems are finally over. Lower bills, clean energy, long-term savings, but after a few months, something feels off. Your system isn't performing like you expected. Maintenance calls start increasing, and slowly you realize there were costs no one told you about, not upfront, not clearly. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today, because solar is powerful, but it's not as simple as most people think. Welcome to Green World Renewable Energy YouTube channel. If you're thinking about installing solar, or you already have it, this video might completely change how you look at it. Now don't get me wrong, solar is one of the best long-term energy decisions you can make, but only if you understand the complete picture. Because what most people see is just panels on the roof, sunshine, clean electricity, but what they don't see are the hidden layers behind it. Let's break it down simply and honestly. Installation is just the beginning. Most people believe the biggest expense is buying solar panels, but that's just the beginning. When you install solar, you're not just buying panels. You're building a complete system: inverter, wiring, mounting structure, safety components, installation work. And here's where things get interesting. Many people try to reduce upfront cost by choosing cheaper components, but over time, those systems often need more attention, more repairs, and more adjustments. So the first hidden cost is choosing the wrong quality at the start. Because in solar, what looks affordable today can become a problem later. The maintenance truth. You've probably heard this: solar panels are maintenance free. That's not completely true. Yes, they don't need daily attention, but they still need care over time. Dust builds up, bird droppings block sunlight, pollution affects performance. Even a small layer of dirt can reduce efficiency. So what happens? You either clean them regularly yourself or get them professionally cleaned. And if you ignore it, your system quietly produces less energy without any obvious warning. That's a hidden cost, not just financially, but in lost performance over time. The inverter reality. Now here's something many people don't realize. Your solar panels can last decades, but the inverter usually doesn't last as long. The inverter is the core of your system. It converts solar energy into usable electricity. And like any electronic device, it has a limited lifespan. At some point it may need replacement or repair. And this often comes as a surprise, because it's rarely explained clearly at the beginning. So while your panels are still working, one key component may need attention much earlier. This is exactly why when we design solar systems for our clients, we focus a lot on long-term reliability, not just initial setup. Performance is not constant. A lot of people expect solar to perform the same every day, but in reality, it doesn't. Your system depends on weather, seasons, sunlight intensity, panel positioning, temperature. For example, cloudy days reduce output. Monsoon season affects production. High heat can slightly lower efficiency. So the electricity generated is always changing. And if expectations are not set properly, it can feel like the system is underperforming, even when it's working normally. This gap between expectation and reality is something many people experience later. Roof and space limitations. Another overlooked factor. Your roof. Not every roof is ideal for solar. Some common challenges: limited space, wrong direction, structural limitations, future construction plans. Sometimes adjustments are needed to install panels effectively, and once installed, that space becomes less flexible. If you plan future changes to your home, it may require extra planning. So solar is not just about installing panels, it's also about how it fits into your long-term plans. Monitoring matters. Solar systems don't require constant attention, but they do require awareness. Many systems come with monitoring apps. But here's what usually happens. People stop checking after a while, and if something goes wrong, they don't notice immediately. A drop in performance can continue unnoticed. So the hidden cost here is not paying attention to your own system, because solar works best when you stay informed. Battery expectations. Now let's clear a common misunderstanding. Many people think, if I install solar, I'll have electricity anytime. But that depends on one thing: batteries. Without batteries, most systems are connected to the grid, which means at night you still rely on external electricity. Batteries can help, but they also bring additional complexity and maintenance. So the idea of complete independence is not always as simple as it sounds. The real cost. So what's the biggest hidden cost? It's not just about money, it's about understanding. When people install solar without fully knowing how it works, what affects it, what it needs over time, they end up feeling disappointed later. But when you understand everything clearly, solar becomes one of the most powerful decisions you can make. So here's the reality. Solar panels are not a problem. Lack of awareness is. When you see solar as a complete system, not just panels on a roof, that's when everything changes. And that's when solar truly works in your favor. And if you're planning to install solar and want proper guidance, whether it's system design, installation, or understanding what's right for your home, you can reach out to us. We'll help you make the right decision from the start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest doubt or concern about solar? If you want to learn more about solar business, solar design, and solar installation, make sure to subscribe to the Green World Renewable Energy channel. We share practical and easy to understand content every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.